Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Tiffany J, and today's video will be a breast cancer awareness makeup tutorial. So if you want to see this, please keep watching. So guys, we're gonna get into the eyes. So the first palette I'm using is the Best Began KTWA palette, and I'm going in it with that black and that pink, and then I'm going to be using the Crayon Case Matte Book in that burgundy shade. So now I'm going to cut the crease using the P. Louise base in 0. I am doing a cut crease wing look. I got this inspiration from this makeup friend that I've been following for a long time. I adore her like so much. Like I see so much of myself in her, and her name is Lifestyle Key. If you haven't following her, then you should. I will put her Instagram down in the description down below, and tell her that it's Tiffany J sent you. So now I'm going to use the Too Faced glitter glue. I love this glitter glue, but if you don't have that, no worries. You can also use Lash glue, which the best is the Duo Clear, and it'll adhere that glitter like no tomorrow. Like both of them is good. So I am just applying the glitter, and I use like 3 types of glitters, and I will put the 3 types of glitters that I use in the description down below. So now we are going to get into the foundation and the concealer. It is one-sided because I had did the domestic violence video, which is before this, so that's why you see half side, half face, because I tied them two together. So I'm just putting the NYX Milk Pencil in my waterline. Now I'm going to use my ColourPop Gel Colorful Liners in pink and white, and I'm going to draw the breast cancer ribbons on my face. I was so proud of myself and surprised that I did not mess this up. Like I thought I was going to mess it up and I would have to wipe my whole face off, but I did not. Some of them was a little janky, but most of them was real neat, real cute. Just this look just gave me life, and I just love this look, and I feel like you have to share awareness to breast cancer because it's a lot of illnesses out here that people don't really pay attention to, and breast cancer is one of them. You have to get your boobs and everything checked yearly, monthly, to make sure that you okay. I have a bad habit of doing it, but when I do, I feel so amazing about myself. I just feel like a whole different person. And sometimes you have to take time and focus on yourself and get your self-health and your self-care. Like, those two are so amazing that you can do for yourself. Just focus on yourself. You can either, while you in the shower, you can like caress yourself and make sure you don't have any lumps to check for any breast cancer. But you also, I would advise you to still go yearly to your doctor so you will know exactly for sure. I'm going to link all of the resources to breast cancer if you want to like have more information about it, or if you going through it and you just want support, or someone you know going through it and you like trying to help them through it, then the links will be very beneficial in the time like this. So now I'm using the pink ColourPop gel liner And I'm just gonna add a couple of the ribbons in pink, and yeah. Gel liner is like so amazing, but I always grab me a liquid liner, but I love gel liner too. You have to know how to work with gel liner because it can get tricky, but once you understand it and you get it, it's amazing. So this is the finished look of my breast cancer awareness makeup. I hope you all like this video. If you or someone you know are going through breast cancer or survive breast cancer, my prayers are with you. Keep fighting and stay strong. Also, if you know someone who did not survive breast cancer, my prayers are with you and stay strong. That is it in my video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. And remember, be you, be beautiful, and be happy. Mwah.